just gotta work. Bead roller's done. I made the springies here so we can tighten it or retract it. Cool. We got old Slowpoke Rodriguez, making sure that I'm not going too fast. This right here is vibration, and if it's off axis a little bit, just a little bit, and it's direct from this size to this size. So I put an extension, a thread extension on the shaft here, and then I welded a bolt to the end of it and ground the whole thing so it's not coming off. And that's how I extended the shaft here. This is a garage door motor. I have wired up connection to it like this. And then we have adjustment bracket here. And this is just a piece of 1/8" pipe. It may not even be 1/8" pipe, probably smaller than that. But I didn't trust it exactly because this got pretty dang heavy. So I welded some angle to give some extra spines on both sides, and I don't worry about this thing at all. Like, really. And then just over here, this is a bolt through. If you didn't see the last video when I was making this is a bolt through, and the base is notched so I can put it in 90-degree intervals and tighten it down so it doesn't go anywhere. But the whole thing's removable and I can hang it up on the wall if I need to. So I'm going to introduce you guys to the next part of the project that I've already done. Go. This is speed controller hooked up via DC 12-volt converter. 1, 2, and 3 12-volt fans are in there. Rheostat speed controller, forward, reverse, and neutral. Voltage output, and a kill switch. Power in, power out. Test 1. Power. Everything looks good. The wires are melting. All fans are functioning. Not the quietest fans, but I don't care. Alright, nothing's hot. Test 2. We want to turn on so now this should be powered. Okay, that should be on in my opinion. Let's hook in. Wait, where do I plug this? Here. All right. What do I do? Kill everything. This relay is working because this comes on. No. This relay is working because this comes on. This is it. Everything is done. Power's plugged in. Switch to here, weird Chinese wiring. Power's on, plugged in, testing, activation switch, turbine to speed. Forward, off, reverse, so moving forward. No heat, everything looks good. Let's turn it up all the way. Let's test the reverse. Switch off. Everything's off. That's still on. Power off. Disconnects. Disconnects on the shelf for storage. Kind of cool. Hopefully I can get it all back in the box. Well, my fancy box that I built worked fine, and then it didn't. And I think it's because I put the switch in the wrong socket. So I'm gonna have to clearly mark those. But the problem is it blew this fuse. Can you see it? Can you see it? There you go, you can see it like that. I know it's a rat's nest, but it all makes sense, I promise. So all these fuses did their job so far. Let's see what happens with the rest of it. Hopefully it works once I get a new fuse put in it. I don't have any yet. Alright, so it's raining and I'm ready to be done with this project. Power in, pedal in, motor in. Here we go. Power on. All or nothing, baby. Oh my gosh. It works. Not really much flex, that's good. Reverse. Oh, that's awesome.